Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best iron supplement is probably one of the most crucial additions to your prenatal routine, especially during pregnancy. Iron is essential for both you and your baby's health, playing a vital role in red blood cell production and oxygen transport. In this video, we'll dive into the best iron supplements available, helping you choose the right one to support a healthy pregnancy and ensure you and your baby thrive. Number 5. NATURELO Vegan Iron Supplement with Vitamin C. This supplement provides 25 milligrams of iron with vitamin C from organic acerola cherries. It also includes an iron-rich whole food blend. This helps increase energy and decrease fatigue without causing nausea or constipation. The iron is formulated as ferrous bisglycinate chelate, which has nearly twice the bioavailability. The addition of vitamin C further enhances the absorption, so you can get better results. It's a perfect way to supplement your diet with iron for healthy red blood cell functions. This is designed for individuals with common iron deficiencies. This product is made in a GMP-certified facility in the USA with premium ingredients. It is non-GMO, natural, gluten-free, soy-free, vegan and vegetarian, and contains no coloring, flavoring, or preservatives. The belief is that nutrition should come from nature. The supplements are formulated using only the cleanest, most bioavailable ingredients. This harnesses the power of plants for whole food nutrition. What we like. This supplement is made with vegan and whole food ingredients, ensuring a natural source of iron. It also boasts high bioavailability for better absorption. If you are looking for a gentle, easily absorbed iron supplement derived from natural sources, this is a great choice. What people say. Within a week of taking this iron supplement, I noticed a real boost in my energy levels. It's gentle on my stomach, easy to digest, and I can take it daily without any issues. Helped within 2 months to get back from iron deficiency. Number 4. MaryRuth Organics Prenatal and Postnatal Liquid Iron. Iron is crucial during pregnancy. It supports the increased production of red blood cells for the mother. It also supports the growing baby and placenta. This liquid iron promotes overall health and wellness for the mother. It also supports the baby's cognitive development. It's a great choice for both prenatal and postnatal care. This iron supplement uses ferrous bisglycinate chelate. This form of iron may have higher absorption rates. It also has increased tolerability compared to other iron salts. This liquid is formulated for pregnant or lactating women. Shake well before use and take 1 tablespoon daily. Remember not to exceed the recommended dose. This product is non-GMO, vegan, and free of artificial colors. It's made in a GMP facility. It is also dairy-free, nut-free, gluten-free, soy-free, and sugar-free. What we like. This liquid iron supplement is designed for both prenatal and postnatal use, supporting both mom and baby. It comes in an easy-to-take liquid form. If you are looking for a convenient and easily digestible iron supplement during pregnancy or breastfeeding, this is a great option. What people say. So much easier to get my iron levels up than taking a large pill. I have low iron and this has made a big difference. Easy to take. Pleasant taste for an iron supplement. Doesn't have the side effects that pill form can. Number 3. Gentle iron and folic acid supplements for women. This vegan iron supplement is designed for women. It supports red blood cell formation, energy, and overall vitality. It's a gentle formula that is easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Women often need extra iron during pregnancy and menstruation. This supplement provides key nutrients to maintain healthy iron and folate levels. It's a great way to support your body during these times. Folate, also known as folic acid, is crucial for red blood cell production. Each tablet contains 400 micrograms of folic acid to support normal hemoglobin levels. It's especially helpful for those with anemia or low energy. Are you experiencing fatigue, pale skin, or brittle nails? These could be signs of low iron or folate. This supplement can help bridge nutritional gaps. Always seek professional advice if symptoms persist. This gentle, vegan iron tablet is easy on the stomach. It supports women's health and normal fetal development. It's made in the USA in GMP-certified facilities and is gluten-free and non-GMO. What we like. This supplement combines gentle iron with folic acid, crucial for red blood cell production. It is designed to be non-constipating, making it easier on your stomach. If you are prone to anemia or are looking for a supplement that supports both iron and folate levels, you should consider this. What people say. I take every day without a break. Helps stomach upset, reduces pigmentation discoloration. I started taking this immediately when I found out I was pregnant, and so far my iron levels have been healthy consistently, so I'm happy with the product. Number 2. Iron and folic acid supplements for women. This supplement provides a potent yet gentle source of iron and folic acid. It's designed to support women's health, helping with energy and vitality. It's a great choice for daily needs. Women often need extra iron during pregnancy and menstruation. This supplement delivers key nutrients to maintain healthy iron and folate levels. It's formulated to support you during these times. Folate, also known as folic acid, is crucial for red blood cell production. Each tablet provides a significant amount of folic acid to support normal hemoglobin levels. This is especially helpful for those with anemia or low energy. Fatigue, pale skin, and hair loss can indicate low iron or folate. This supplement can help bridge nutritional gaps. If symptoms persist, consider seeking professional advice. This vegan iron tablet is gentle on the stomach and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Made in the USA, it's gluten-free, non-GMO, and suitable for vegan diets. It supports overall health and normal fetal development. What we like. This supplement combines gentle iron with folic acid, crucial for red blood cell production. It is designed to be non-constipating, making it easier on your stomach. If you are prone to anemia or are looking for a supplement that supports both iron and folate levels, you should consider this. What people say. I can't say enough about how much the iron tablets have helped me with day-to-day activities. I started taking this immediately when I found out I was pregnant, and so far my iron levels have been healthy consistently, so I'm happy with the product. This is very good. It is easy to swallow, however, it does taste like I drank a cast iron skillet. Around my time of month is when I use it the most, and it helps with my fatigue and also ease my flow. Number 1. Iron Repair, natural iron supplement for all. Many iron supplements can be ineffective. This product was created by an anemia survivor to help others fight back against iron deficiency. It's time for a better solution. This supplement offers higher absorption than traditional iron tablets. It uses natural concentrated spleen iron in a strategic dose. It's designed for maximum absorption with minimal side effects. Unlike many supplements, this one is gentle on the stomach. It's the best iron supplement for women, pregnant women, men, teens, and those with IBS. This product harnesses the power of natural iron. It comes in a clean gelatin capsule. It's a simple and effective way to get the iron your body needs. Traditional supplements often require an empty stomach, leading to side effects. This product's natural iron can be taken with or without food. This makes it easier on your body. The ingredients are responsibly sourced. It doesn't include artificial colors, fillers, or synthetic excipients. You can feel good about what you're putting into your body. What we like. This supplement uses natural iron for maximum absorption and minimal side effects. It's gentle on the stomach, making it a comfortable choice. If you like a natural iron supplement that is easy on your stomach, this is a great choice. What people say. Other types would cause stomach pain and inflammation. I have no side effects with Simply Heme, and in 4 months my ferritin went from 10 to 65. There has been a noticeable slowdown in hair loss and I feel more energetic. My iron ferritin increased from 17 to 70 using this product. It's great because you don't need to worry about cofactors or coffee getting in the way of absorption. It doesn't upset my stomach either. This is the only supplement that I have taken that has worked with my stomach and has helped increase my iron levels. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.